Instead of one formula, we have 3 here. So we'll draw a graph from 0 to 3 along x, right? Here, let's say 1, 2, 3. From 0 to 3, we'll have this function. Then from 3 to 5, this function. And then beyond 5, over there, this function. Let's figure out what coordinates we have here. And say, I'll draw the first function in black, then blue, and the last one in red. Okay? Let's calculate this in our heads. For example, here at 0, right? Why does it start from 0? Interesting, right? What function is this? Direct proportionality. If x is 0, right, then y is also 0. So basically, this function here will pass through 0. And where does it go to? To point 3. Good, interesting. 2 times 3 is what? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So at 3, write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At 3, it equals 6. That's the point, right? And we'll draw it in black as I promised. Now let's take the blue marker. Look, we have minus 3 times 3. What does that equal? Minus 9. 15 minus 9 equals 6, right? So it will also pass through this point, actually. But we still kind of excluded it because very often you'll see systems like this and there will be some points that are excluded. And point 5. So minus 3 times 5. What does that equal? Minus 15, right? 15 minus 15 equals 0. For y, it will be 0. There it is. By the way, this graph shows I decided to do some exercises, for example, push-ups. And at first I went up. Yeah, I did a lot. Then I went down to 0. Basically, it's like days passing, right? I'm going to 0 because I'm not doing push-ups. And then what happens now? Look, if this is 0.5, right? We get 0.5, 0.5, multiplied by 5. What does that equal? 2.5, 2.5, yes. So theoretically, this red one, by the way, yeah. And then we need to, let's say, a point. Well, which one should we take? Well, let's take 12, for example. Yeah, 12, 1. So that's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 to go a bit further. Yeah, 12. Well, let's say 0.5 times 12. What does that give us? 6, yeah. So here, 6 minus 2.5 gives us 3.5. So this is 3, yeah. Well, somewhere around here, yeah. So we draw a parallel like this. So it goes that way. And then I slowly start climbing up. So this is a slope. It's less steep. It's better to do fewer push-ups, yeah, than more, because otherwise I'd burn out anyway. Good luck, everyone. Bye-bye.